You're on.
Hi, I'm Rob Willie with
Shannon.
and this is the July 16th edition 2019 of Cooking with Coach Rob. This is actually an unboxing video, and today we are unboxing a brand new T-fal ActiFryer. This is the ActiFry original. I actually got it on a really good sale, Canadian Tire, but several months ago it was like one of their 70% off sales. Like it was about like 60 or 70 bucks, but I just never got around to using it because we used to have the deep fryer over here that I was using. So I tried to take it back or keep it. So we decided to keep it. It was only like it was well under 100 bucks, and this says the #1 low oil fryer in Canada. It says it's made in France. So we're gonna have like an unboxing video. Like I said, it is the original one, so maybe they were clearing them up because there is newer models. So I have not opened it up before. We did break the seal about 5 minutes ago. So right off the bat, we have register your product online, which we will do that later on, right? So we'll put that there. We have the, this is the manual here, I believe. T-fal ActiFryer manual, right, which is good to read up on. We got the white model. There's a black model available, which I didn't even know. Okay, so we're going to take out the spoon that comes with it. That's all the amount of oil you need for it. So that's going to go right there. And we're going to take the styrofoam out. Put the styrofoam there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick pause and get this out of the box. Then we'll be right back live.
You're on.
Okay, we're back. So right here we have the T-fal fryer itself. I'm going to tilt it up for you. There is no digital display on this. This is just on or off. And this here is just like time guidelines. It's not a touchpad. So it's either on or off. And I'm going to spin it around to me, and and that's where the product goes in here. So you would put your fries or whatever in there, and I know this lifts out for cleaning purposes, which is nice, and this does come off of here, but I'm not going to like take it off at the moment. Oh, there it comes off. See, it really comes off, right? So that's for some items that you don't need the turning mechanism. So that's, I'm not sure if that's in there or not. I guess that's in there. Then this goes in there. That's back in. That's relatively easy to use. So we're going to take another pause and we'll be right back.
You're on.
Okay, once again, it is the T-fal ActiFryer. It's the original model. This one just has an on-off switch. These here are guidelines. It's not a touch screen, but it says, for example, to do French fries, 30 to 32 minutes. So we are going to do some fries in it after we get it in the kitchen over here, and we're going to test them out. There are higher models that have different like temperatures on it, but traditionally when you have a deep fryer, like at least when I worked at the one with the Hudson's Bay and Compass Canada, it was always at 350 anyway. You rarely changed it. And there's like other items in here we're going to do on future episodes for different guidelines. Like we're going to do like the fries, and you can do meat and poultry in this, and chicken nuggets and stuff like this. And it tells you how much oil to put in. And for this one, since we're doing chips, it doesn't want any oil in it because it says no oil. It's 20 to 27 minutes. So we're going to set this up over here. We'll put some fries in it, and we'll show you the finished result.
You're on.
Okay, we've got our great value fries that we put into our portion bowl, right? And you just got to get them so they're not together, right? And remember, we're going to put them in the ActiFryer, like spread around like. And in this case, it says it didn't need any oil, because I guess these are greasy enough, right? So what we do is we're going to put that on there. Since this doesn't have a timer, we're going to use the kitchen timer here, 25 minutes. Right, we're going to turn it on here. Then we're going to start. Then we're going to check back to you, like throughout the cooking process. We're actually going to make some burgers, and I found this great product at Walmart today. This is 4 little burger buns, or 4 burger buns in the package, and it was like $2 or something. The advantage of this is they won't go stale, right? You just buy it when you need it. So we're going to let that cook. We're going to get some burgers on, and we'll be back. This is Cooking with Coach Rob, with Rob and
Shannon.
Shannon, yeah, and we'll be back later. As you can see, they are coming along quite well. We've only had it on a couple minutes, but you can see we are using the rotator in there to make sure that they get done on all sides. But it does say halfway through to turn it off and shake them around, so we'll do that. And there's Shannon.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, here we go.
You're on.
So right now we're going to use one of my favorite kitchen appliances I got here. It's a Hamilton Beach indoor grill. We can't have a barbecue on outside, so we are going to put the fan on low. We got some burgers here. These are great value burgers from Walmart. And yes, we washed our hands earlier. Right, so that's going to go there. There. We're going to do a third one. So they've got us sear for 8 minutes. So we got our timer here. So sear for 8 to 10 minutes. When that gets down to 10 minutes, we'll flip them around. And that's it for now. These are coming along good. They're looking really good. And they've got about 20 minutes to go. So we'll check back in a few minutes, like 5 or 10 minutes, and we'll show how things are progressing. Okay, what it says to do is we're halfway through the cooking of these.
You're on.
For a sec there, I couldn't get this open. I forgot to you got to push this button. So we're halfway through the fries. So it says to shake it all about. So we're going to shake it. Right? And we're going to put it back in. And we're going to turn it back on. And that will be the remainder for the remainder 14 minutes. Our burgers are coming along good here on our Hamilton Beach grill. We do got to turn them over, but not for about 5 minutes. Right, so there you go. We've got to turn over now. Right?
Yep.
Yeah, they should have been turned over a couple minutes ago. So we're going to keep that cooking. We got to turn it down to, for the hamburgers, it says 375. So we'll turn it down to about 375, and they'll actually be done. They'll actually be done in about 5 minutes. I miscalculated the time. As you see, it says here, when you cook the burgers, it's 8 to 10 minutes, right? Sear for 4 minutes. So I actually had it a bit longer now, which is good. But we're still going to take the temperature, because it's got to be beat the room temperature register at least 145. But I like it a bit higher than that. I like to be in about the 150, 160 range. So again, we've done that. There's 10 minutes to go on that. So we'll be, we're almost there, folks. We're almost there.
You're on.
Okay, we're going to do a test. Even though it says 9 minutes to go, these almost look like they're done. So we're going to stick it on my plate here. We're going to take a bite. It may be done. Maybe a couple more minutes, like it says. A few more minutes, but not many. Right?
Yep. You're on.
Okay, as you can see, the timer's got about 3 minutes. While we've done our test fry, it's almost done. So what we got to do now is we got to go over here, and we got to do the test of the temp. Because it should be around 150 or 160. Okay, it's 155, it's 160 now, it's 160. So we're going to put this on here. I'm going to take one more pause and we'll have all the other burgers on here. So we're going to do another pause.
You're on.
So we've got 2 minutes on there, we might as well stop that. We're going to grab our tongs here. And the fries are almost, this is pretty much done here. So we're going to turn that off. So you can hear me better, we're going to turn that off. And this here is kind of tricky, you got to push this in. And that just lifts up like that. This is going to be really hot. Right, and that's the, whoops. And that's the finished product of the fries. We're just going to let that sit and cool off and we'll wash it after. Now these might be a bit overdone, because it's the first time using this. And like Shannon suggested, next time we will put a bit of oil in, even though the instructions said no oil. Okay, so we're going to put our fries on our plate. We forgot about the cheese, so we're going to put some cheese on. But other than that, that's it for the July 16th, 2019 video of Cooking with Coach Rob with Rob and
Shannon.
We'll see you next episodes. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And if you guys have any tips in the comments, please feel free to say, oh no, Rob, you're doing this, or you shouldn't have done like that, do this. Or if you have any other recipes you want me to try, or maybe some of your favorite recipes, please drop a line in the comments below and hit that like and subscribe. Thank you so much. We're back with just one small thing where we forgot. It's as Shannon's going to try one of the fries, and she says, remember, this is the first time we've ever used it, so.
Yeah, I think we could have used a little bit of oil.
A little bit of oil next time, but not too bad though, are they? They're all right.
Not too bad, they're all right.
Okay, but next time we use a bit of oil.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks everybody. Bye for now.